Good morning, guys. So right now I'm at my hostel and I'm just going to check out and also check in. So I'm going to explore Hiroshima today until 6, where I'm going back to Kobe. Good morning, Hiroshima. Really glad that I only have my backpack. It's really easy to travel with. I wonder if this is like the Hiroshima team carb. Don't know. What? I haven't seen this jagariko with avocado and cheese before. I have to try this. They also have something with kimi no nawa. So there we have a tram, and I'm going to take that later. There's also another tram. Wow, that is a lot of taxis. I've never seen so many taxis at once before. So I'm going from Hiroshima station, which is here, and then to Miyajima. And the weather's amazing today. Going on the JR ferry. But it's also Sunday. I'm really here. Here at Miyajima they also have deers. I don't know if there's as many as in Nara, but there are also lots of them. I think Hiroshima is like famous for clams. Or is it oysters? I don't know. I don't know what the difference is. There's basically boats all the time, so don't worry about that if you come here. More deers. Also have food stalls. You want fried potatoes? I guess. You can also ride the rickshaw if you want to. Maybe I should get like an oyster ball for lunch, or okonomiyaki if I find a place. Hiroshima and Miyajima is also famous for momiji manju. I think I'm going to try one of these, but which one should I choose? So I chose the one with the oyster on top. I think it's mochi with oyster. No. This is mine. Itadakimasu. You can see like mochi. It's like a soy sauce on top. Let me try with the oyster too. Quite good. I've never had oyster for breakfast before, but this is the first time for everything, right? Ooh, this could be real nice for like bathing in the summer. You can also get on a boat ride. It's really fun. You have to wear these hats. So the kaki was really good. I've never had oyster for breakfast, but it was good. And it was approved by the deer who wanted to eat it and almost ate my scarf. So this island is also called Itsukushima, I think, because of the shrine that is on the island. So I'm here at the shrine, and when it's low tide you can actually walk out to it. It's really pretty. After I found a spot to take pictures, there were so many people standing in the same place. Like before there were no people, and then when they saw that I found a place to take pictures, they came too. I've never seen a shrine for a horse before. So they have parks and pagodas and a roadway too, so you can go to the mountain here, I think. So now I'm in this area which is much more, well, it's much more like calm. There's like no people here. So there was a really beautiful temple. It doesn't seem like a lot of people actually go there. It's definitely worth visiting because they have so many, all the details and all the smaller temples within the temple. This island is so beautiful. I'm so happy that I chose to go here because it's really easy to get here and so beautiful. At first this looked kind of like a pirate ship, but I guess it's not. Too bad. So I'm just taking a rest here at the island. You can hear the water, it's really nice and soothing. But yeah, I really want to find an okonomiyaki place because I've heard that okonomiyaki from Hiroshima is so different. So I really want to try it. Hello there. So I've come back here and I'm going to go see this. Really difficult for me to show you this pagoda, but it's really beautiful. There's also a temple here and you can walk underneath it. I think though that I'm exactly too tall. Oh yes, I can just fit under it. I'm really happy now, full. Just needed some food. Maybe for dessert I'll have an ice cream. I really want maybe matcha ice cream. All the shops have these. Can you explain to me what it is if you know in the comments below? They're like 2 deers almost like walking into me, so got pretty shocked. So as you can see, it's kind of low tide right now. It's getting lower and lower, and I think around 3 p.m. you can actually walk out to the tori. I don't think I can do that today. Oh, there was like water here before. No, I can go all the way down here. So I found an ice cream place and I chose matcha vanilla. This is so good. No, someone wants to eat my things. No, just impossible to eat anything here without like being attacked by deers. This is really good. The matcha is really strong, and then it's really nice to mix it with vanilla. And now I found a place where my ice cream is not being eaten by deers. There's so many people here now on board the Misen Maru.
Or hold onto the handrail.
So I'm back in the center of Hiroshima at Hiroshima Station and just going to Starbucks to get the Hiroshima cup that I need for my Starbucks mug collection. I got my mug. I didn't actually have a place that I could sit down, so I didn't order anything to drink at Starbucks. So now I think I'm going to go to the atomic bomb dome, the museum, and also Hiroshima Castle. It's kind of like a train, but not really. So my SD card ran out of space, so I just went into Edeon to get a new SD card. But it's always good to have an extra card. My camera battery ran out, but I just fixed it here at Tully's. I'm just getting this mango chango, really good. This shop looks quite interesting. I think this was the T-cross that they aimed at when they threw the bomb. If you go this way, like that direction, past the park, like, or in the middle of the park, they have the Peace Memorial Museum. I've already seen one, so I'm not going to go there again. It's very important to learn the lesson from these things, but enough sad stuff now. I don't really know what I'm going to do now. Yeah, I'll check in with you later. I'm going to go here for dinner. So for dinner I went to Lateria, and first I got fries. Because everything is pink, I chose this strawberry soda, and also this new Sakura Ebi Taru Taru burger. Wow, pink burger. Never had a pink burger before. It actually just tastes like, well, like normal Ebi Taru Taru burger, but it's good. It's my favorite burger at Alteria, so this one actually tastes strawberry, very nice and sweet. That was fun to try. We don't really have a normal Alteria in Kobe. We have one in Haberland, but that's like a really luxurious Alteria, and it's a bit more pricey, so it was really great to try the Sakura fashion leg shop. You can buy legs. I've never seen this before. So I think my second trip to Hiroshima and also to Miyajima, I think it was a really successful trip. So yeah, this is a bus terminal, supposedly. Standing in the wrong side. This is the right side. Well, I better stand here in this Hiroshima. Oh no, they're tempting me with Ichigo Daifuku. Oh, I've had so many this year. It looks so good though. Yes, they have a plug in this bus. Yes. Hey guys, so I'm back home at the dormitory, and yeah, I'm going to go to bed now because I'm super tired. I had some really fun days in Hiroshima, mostly just today, but I'm really glad that I went to Miyajima Island, but I'm also really glad that I went to Hiroshima once more because I didn't really explore it that much the first time I was there. But yeah, that was it for this time. If you like this video, please give it a big like, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!